Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily reading, we are picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card and it is an elaborate reading. Don't miss on that. That will come right after this daily reading. You can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video, guys. Let's start with your daily energies, Leos. Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Wands in reverse, and Five of Swords. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you are seeing a great possibility for success, abundance, and things are going in a very positive way. You are reaping the rewards of your hard work, and you may be extremely successful for some of you in your career situation, or it may be something to do with your personal life. So you are tasting success in something, but if it is success in your career situation, maybe in your personal life with this person, you may not share that great understanding with them, that open communication may not be there, and there are people in your circumstance, maybe someone from your work or it may be someone from your family. They are quite jealous of you, jealous of your progress, and they may be working against you, guys, and or you may feel that the way situation is, way people are fighting with you or arguing with you, some kind of because of some kind of misunderstandings. You may feel that everyone is working against you, and maybe when making certain choices in this connection or in your work situation, there is a conflict of interest. Maybe both your interests are different and you are not able to find that common ground. So that is also what I see, and you need to be quite careful today, Leos, because these people who are jealous, they may pose as your friend or family, but they have that evil intentions towards you. So you have to be quite careful today with such people. If you know who it is, you have to avoid them, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Leos. For your love reading, guys, you can think of the questions you need to be answered. Then choose the pile, and it is an elaborate reading, guys. Don't miss on that reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile and this is the second pile. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can think of the questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, and close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and I will start the reading, guys. Right after that, you can open your eyes and go to that pile which you see first when you open your eyes. So we will start after a few minutes of silence, few seconds, guys, few seconds of silence. So let's start the reading. This is the first pile, guys. I will start with this pile. So I'll be picking one card from this deck. One card readings are very specific, guys. It will answer your questions, what you have in your mind about your situation. So this is the card. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it. I'll turn the card now. The Angel Rasbar. This card comes with a special gift for you guys. So, that true gift in life is silence, and true silence is peace. It is the living experience of that divine that asks nothing to be received, and it gives itself unconditionally. That silence is present in all of us at all times, and it can be accessed by that beautiful feeling heart. When you know how to feel that silence in your heart, you can surrender to it, and you can transmit it in many ways. And through that peace in your heart, in your daily living, through your presence, you can radiate it. You can radiate this peace around you to the people and to your living circumstances, guys. So this card speaks for peace and happiness to be found within yourself, and this card also comes with a special guidance in your situation today. You are progressing towards your life's purpose and divine destiny. Like a maturing person, you are ready to take up that greater responsibility, and you are stepping up, and you are assuming that responsibility with honesty and empowered expression of your true essence, whatever you are. And you are on the right path. You are making good progress, and although whatever you anticipate may not unfold immediately, it will surely happen, and you are making a positive impact in your situation to the people around you, and you are asked to proceed in this right way, in this right path, and do not give up, do not turn back. You just have to continue, take your steps, your journey, and know that that divine power or that higher power is guiding you all the way, guys. And let it be clear in your mind that this divine power is guiding you with true silence today. So maybe for some of you, if you are making some important decisions, you need to tell it out. Maybe this may not be the time. You have to wait, you have to be silent today and wait for things to unfold in its own natural course. So that is what I would tell you, and you have to remember that peace dwells within you and everything is going well as it should. So that is what I see with this card for your love reading for those who have chosen this first deck, guys. So let's see what is the card with the second deck. For those who have chosen this deck, let us see what is the card. This is the card. So regarding any questions that you have in mind about this relationship, about this situation, guys, you can think about it, and I will turn the card now. Go to the sea. To the sea. So with this card, guys, in your situation today, there are points in a relationship when you have to decide to go with the flow rather than dictate the course you share with another. So can you let go of the needs to have things your way along this relationship itself? Maybe it is time you give importance to that other person also. It may not be the way you want this circumstance to go always. Sometimes you just have to have that combined goals and desires for both of you together to steer this relationship. And when you both transcend your personalities. Allow this relationship to form on its own identity, in its own energy. It is the time to relax for you and wait for that mutual journey to take you forward in this relationship, guys. And when certain conditions appear to block you, to block your every moment, it may be really difficult to know what is right for you and what you need to do today. So sometimes when things are just blocking you, you have to just know that things will begin to flow again at the right time. There is no need for you to be worried or alarmed because of that, and you have to stop resisting and fighting against that situation, however your situation is going. So you have to relax and trust in the abundance that is coming towards you, that will reach you very soon, guys. So you have to trust how things are unfolding for you in your life today. So wait for that person, or for the natural course of events to take place. So it may not be up to your expectation, but you have to wait for it. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.